Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here and welcome to Vlogmas day 5 and 6. So I missed a vlog yesterday, you guys. I was extremely exhausted and I just took a little day. Plus my son was sick, so I had to tend to him. But today I am bringing you Vlogmas day 5 and 6. So today I'm in my foyer. And as you can see, I am wallpapering. I'm going to be adding some more Christmas touches to the foyer. However, I just did not go as big as I wanted to go. Y'all, I'm tired. By this point, it's December 5th or December 6th, and I am just exhausted. I'm just so tired. So I just did minimal. I added really cool touches. I'm dancing to Buju Banton. I want to be loved. I want to be loved. Not who you think I am, not who you want me to be, But I didn't do as much as I wanted to because I was tired, y'all. So I was just like, I'm done. I'm done decorating for Christmas. So I added the touches that I wanted to add, but I didn't go all out with the garland on the staircase or anything. Plus, I think that it would just be too much going on in the foyer. So I didn't want it to overwhelm myself or anybody in my home or coming into my home. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing today in this video. So definitely stay tuned from beginning to end. Hopefully you guys can draw some inspiration from it. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivation, and some lifestyle vlogs here and there. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here on YouTube. Definitely double tap that bell so you don't miss out on any of the episodes that are coming to you. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I'm really not going to be talking too much into the video. I want you guys to enjoy the video and enjoy the music. And I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day 7. Bye, guys. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. And that He is the reason for the season. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.